Hello, today we will be telling you about our aerobic capacity station. The main PE standards that all fourth graders should be able to accomplish is jumping a self-turned rope and sustaining continued movement for increasing periods. This is why our station expects all students to perform these three exercises in a row with a minimum resting period. Students will start the rotation jumping rope. Students will push evenly off their feet for each jump, keeping torso upright, and swing the rope over the head and jump as it passes the feet and jump just high enough to clear the rope, landing evenly on both feet. Next, running in place. Students will keep their heads straight without hunching the shoulders. Arms will be a 90-degree angle and body leaned forward. Knees should not be lifted too high. Performing jumping jacks, we start in a standing position with arms at our side, feet straight and close together, head straight and looking forward. We will then simultaneously raise our arms over our head until they touch and bend our knees slightly and jump out. Then quickly jump back to the starting position and repeat the process. After the three exercises are performed, there will be a quick rest before starting the next rotation. Here is a shortened demonstration of what the rotation should look like altogether. And that completes our aerobic capacity fitness station. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you.